যার যার ফুটে বসে যান।
যাচ্ছি তেলাওয়াত করবে
বিসমিল্লাহ।
Republic of Korea, His Excellency.
গুড ইভিনিং, শুভ সন্ধ্যা। আজ মহান শহীদ দিবস 21শে ফেব্রুয়ারি, আন্তর্জাতিক মাতৃভাষা দিবস। আপনাদের সবাইকে জানাই এই মহান দিবসের শুভেচ্ছা ও অভিনন্দন। And as you know, today this august gathering is attended by His Excellency the Ambassador of Korea, His Excellency the Ambassador of Philippines, and the CDA from Japan, and other representatives from distinguished embassies, India, Thailand, and also our brother from Qatar here, and a lot of guests are in front of us. Thank you very much. And in 1952, in Bangladesh, our people, our students sacrificed their lives for restoring their rights of their mother tongue and their culture. And after a long span of time, UNESCO in 1999 recognized the day as International Mother Language Day. Today, this day is being celebrated all over the world in 193 countries. And today, Philippines, India, Sri Lanka, Korea, Thailand, and many other communities have joined us together to celebrate the day. This is the day for celebration today.
Korea and Ambassador of Philippines to come to the stage. Please, sir.
Well, His Excellency, the Bangladesh Ambassador, and also the Ambassador of South Korea, distinguished representatives of the different diplomatic communities, distinguished guests, good evening. Well, it's a surprise for me this evening to say few words to you because I am not prepared for any speech, but let me just greet your distinguished school for really sponsoring this International Mother Language Day. The organizers of the school, all the participating community schools in Doha, Qatar.
International Mother Language Day originated by Bangladesh Embassy. I fully acknowledge the beauty of mother language, especially the language of Bengali language. And I very much respect this kind of initiative to encourage the mother language importance. And I hope that initiative by Bangladesh government more and more continue for the people and make improving the beauty and the essence of every country, mother language.
will be performed. Calesa is a famous land station.
Shabba